Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Final Boy here, and today I'm going to make a sequel to the Blood Cat series that I did. The new EAS Scenario Series will be called The War of the United States. It will be another blood animal related scenario, but it is dogs. It will start production later today or tomorrow. It will have 10 parts on this scenario. I'm really tired right now, I'm feeling weary as well. It's because of Eric. It's because I had a horrible morning. I had diarrhea. I'm so tired. I can't even stay awake. So I don't know if I can make this scenario. The scenario will contain a lot of emergency action notifications, several danger warnings, and immediate evacuations in this scenario. And I will make the trailer after I end this video, and so goodbye everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next. I can't stay awake. I can't even stay awake. I don't know what's causing me to have diarrhea. I'm in the milk on my medicine. Can't even stay awake. Just can't even stay awake. Can't even stay awake. I just can't stay awake. Oh my God, we're making a content every day. I should have been sleeping at 7 or 8 p.m. I'll try my best to say goodbye, everybody.